So good morning. So today's topic is e-group. So previous day we studied about e-reservation and e-learning and some other topics. So today's topic is e-groups. So first we need to study the definition of what you mean by e-groups. So e-groups refers to an online community where people can discuss on a topic of some common interest. A message posted in such a discussion is known as post. All the posts are listed together on a discussion board which is viewable to all the members of group. So simple word, so I will explain it in simple word. Means group is e-group means, so nowadays we are making groups. For example, take the WhatsApp group. So what is the use of WhatsApp group? So you can discuss on anything, any matter. You can share your ideas, share the news, share the videos, share the voice, everything. Likewise, e-group means it is an online community, so where anybody can post the message. So if you are sending any message, that is called post. So a message posted in such a discussion is known as post. So like that, you are putting Facebook posts are available, but Facebook is not a group. It is a social media only, but we can create a group. For example, scientists, all the scientists can create the group for scientists. They will discuss about only for scientific experiments. So students can create a different types of groups. For example, you can create computer groups, SST groups, max group. So according to that particular topic, you can discuss together. So the area, one area is called one discussion board is there. One discussion board. So all the posts are listed there. Then the main advantage is that your post and all the comments and replies, everything is listed there. Everything is listed there, and all the members can viewable. So it is viewable to all the members in the group. So you can see all the comments, all the replies, all the ideas. So everything. It's like a discussion only. So this is called a e-group. This is a use of e-group only. So some popular groups are there. Groups.yahoo.com, groups.google.com. So this is examples for e-groups. So we need to study what are the features of e-group. First feature, e-groups let you connect and converse with the people of similar preferred choice. E-groups provide the following features to help the members communicate effectively, which means that similar preferred choice means, so for example, uh, out of you 41, so 5 students are interested in maths and 10 students are interested in computer, and remaining 20 students are interested in science. So you can choose your own groups. So according to your interest only you can select the group and start the discussion. So from that particular group you will get all the ideas. So a conversation on a group can have original message and its response and reply. So I already told that original message means post. So then not only post, its response and all the reply, you can see that. So all these belongs to a single conversation, that is a single topic. So means all the message, post and reply is based on a particular topic only. For example, today you are going to start a group with the Olympics 2021 Tokyo Olympics. So you need to talk about only Olympics, no other subject is coming there. So this is the feature of group. Then the members of a group can post of a message group discussion board, reply to post and upload as well as download the file from the group. So Google group offers a space for files upload by the group members. So which means that the members of an e-group, first you can post, you can message anything on the discussion board, then you can upload and download files also. Everything is possible. So e-groups are perfect for people with the busy schedules. There are no specific time on a must be online to participate. This is good, which means that for a busy people it is good, because all the post and messages and replies are, it is there. It is not deleted from that particular e-group. So you can see at any time. Okay, so this type of e-groups are perfect for people with busy schedules. Then we need to study what are the benefits of e-group. So these are the features we already now see that. Then benefits of e-group means it keep you touch with other members E-groups allows members to exchange message, plans, vacation, participate in a meeting online, or share the news with the other members of the group. Each group has its own email address, message board, calendar, photo album, and more. So each group containing its own email address, which means that for a particular group, email address is unique. It is related to that topic only. Then it containing a unique message board is there, calendar also there, photo albums are there. Then it help to keep touch with other members. Okay. Then the group members can be exchange messages, plan vacations, then participate in a meeting online, or share the news. So this is the first benefits. Second, it's a venue to make new friends. So you may choose to keep your e-group public or private depending upon your preference. Public group let you meet the people with the same interest. So you may opt to create the fan club. For instance, you can meet a new friends to join to your group. So you can make a group with a private chat or public chat. Private group means only those person you know personally only allowed to add that group. Public means anybody can share, anybody can come that group, and they can exchange their own information. So by using public group, so you can a venue to make a new friends. Okay, same time there is a threat is there. The disadvantage means, so any third party can make any message here, any unwanted message here. So this is also a disadvantage also. So it lets you build a community without a technical hassle. You don't have to be well versed HTML or web design to create online community. The entire process of creating and maintaining e-group is very simple. So you can create a simple e-group by using your own HTML code. So simple website it is possible. There is no any other complications of HTML codes are there. Simply code you can. So without any technical knowledge, that is called without the technical hassle, you can create the e-groups. Okay, so this is the benefits of e-groups. So today we study what you mean by e-group, then features of e-group and benefits of e-group. Okay, so this important topic. So features and benefits you need to study, and this definition also. Okay.